So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find Backward Intelligent Transfer Service. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the server status running. Wait for this to load. It's now going to be running, so automatic running, and then click on OK. And now we're going to scroll down a bit more till we find cryptographic services. Here it is. Double click on this. And then do the same thing. Startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. And now you're going to click on W on your keyboard. You want to find Windows Update. So we're going to scroll down till we find Windows Update. Here it is. Double click on this. And then do the same thing. Startup type, automatic, click on start to make it running, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. And then once this loads up, if it detects anything, it will fix it for you. Now hopefully these two steps will fix your problem. If that's still not working, for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once this comes up, you're going to type in SFC /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.